Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1AF0 indicates that the VB1 circuit voltage is out of its normal operational range. This error suggests that the transmission control module, TCM, has detected an abnormality within the power supply circuit. The TCM is crucial for managing the automatic transmission by processing signals and making real-time adjustments to ensure smooth operation. This specific error may stem from issues related to the power supply circuit that directly affects the TCM's functionality. A successful diagnosis requires a careful and systematic approach as outlined in this troubleshooting guide. Various external components and connections may influence TCM performance, and correcting the detected error will require comprehensive checks of the system. DTC P1AF0 signifies that the voltage in the VB1 circuit is outside the predetermined range established by the manufacturer. This error is typically logged when the transmission control module, or TCM, identifies a discrepancy in the voltage it receives, which is critical for its operation. The TCM functions as the brain of the vehicle's automatic transmission, orchestrating gear shifts based on engine load and driving conditions. Its location is usually found in the engine compartment, attached to the transmission assembly. Additionally, the condition of power supply circuit inputs can significantly impact the performance of the TCM, necessitating an examination of the associated wiring and connections. Therefore, a stable voltage and reliable connection are paramount for the TCM to perform its intended role effectively. The causes for DTC P1AF0 can include various factors, with each carrying implications for the TCM's operation. First, if the vehicle is connected to a high-voltage battery system, which could be upwards of 24 volts, it may inadvertently trigger this diagnostic trouble code. This scenario can arise if hybrid or electric vehicle components are improperly integrated or malfunctioning. Similarly, corrosion or looseness at the 12-volt battery terminals can impede effective power delivery to the TCM, causing voltage inconsistencies. Another significant possibility is a malfunction within the TCM itself, such as internal failures or circuit board issues, which directly affect its ability to process voltage correctly. Each potential cause must be investigated to ensure accurate identification of the source of the problem. The symptoms associated with DTC P1AF0 can manifest in various ways, directly linking to the TCM's functionality. Drivers may experience noticeable transmission performance issues, such as delayed shifts or improper gear engagement, as the TCM struggles to maintain optimal operation. Additionally, warning indicators on the dashboard, such as the check engine light, may illuminate, prompting drivers to recognize that a fault has been detected within the transmission system. In more severe cases, if the TCM cannot effectively process voltage, this could lead to the vehicle stalling, as the transmission may become unresponsive to driver inputs. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for prompt resolution and to avoid further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1AF0 involves ensuring the vehicle is turned to the on mode, which activates electrical systems without starting the engine. After setting the ignition to the on position, it is imperative to wait for at least 9 seconds. This waiting period allows the transmission control module to complete its initial self-check sequence, during which it assesses the health of its internal components and the power supply it receives. Observations made during this period may offer critical insights into the TCM's operational status and its ability to maintain correct voltage levels. This foundational step is vital before proceeding with further inspections to determine the root cause of the fault. Following the initial troubleshooting step, the next phase involves a thorough inspection of the power supply circuit that feeds the TCM. Inspecting the TCM's connectors for corrosion, looseness, or damage is essential, as these factors can severely impair signal integrity and power delivery. A well-functioning TCM relies heavily on stable connections. Even minor issues in the wiring can result in voltage fluctuations that trigger DTC P1AF0. Additionally, verifying that the power supply circuit provides the necessary voltage levels is crucial. If irregularities are detected in this inspection, additional diagnostic tests may be required to isolate specific faults within the circuit system, enhancing overall understanding of the problem's magnitude. In this troubleshooting phase, emphasis shifts to the B+ circuit inspection, a crucial element of the TCM operation. Before proceeding, it's important to jump the SCS system control switch line using an HDS Honda Diagnostics System tool, which series of diagnostic tests help to reset systems and check for faults. This requires ensuring the TCM 50P connector is safely disconnected before proceeding to the B+ circuit check. The inspection must include verifying that the circuit consistently provides necessary voltage to the TCM while under normal operational conditions. Observing the integrity of this circuit will help pinpoint whether the issue is with circuit supply or within the TCM's own systems. Conducting these checks methodically reaffirms the connection profiles and their voltages aligning with manufacturer specs. After completing the necessary repairs or replacements outlined in previous steps, it's crucial to verify that the DTC P1AF0 has been successfully cleared. The verification process typically involves re-scanning the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to confirm that no residual error codes remain. Additionally, it is essential to ensure that the transmission operates seamlessly following the repairs, as any persistent symptoms could indicate unresolved issues. Conducting test drives under various conditions may provide insights into the system's performance stability, indicating whether the TCM can now effectively manage voltage levels. This phase is vital in confirming that the repair work completed has fully rectified the issues, restoring optimal vehicle functionality. To avoid future occurrences of DTC P1AF0 and ensure the reliable operation of the TCM, incorporating preventive maintenance strategies is essential. Regular checks on battery terminals are paramount. Ensuring they are clean and tight can significantly reduce the risk of voltage-related problems affecting the TCM. Additionally, conducting periodic inspections of the transmission control module can help detect anomalies early, allowing for proactive measures before they escalate into serious issues. Keeping the wiring harnesses and connectors free from corrosion and physical damage is equally important. Adopting these preventive steps helps maintain the electrical system's integrity, thereby enhancing the longevity and efficiency of the vehicle's transmission system. In conclusion, troubleshooting DTC P1AF0 involves systematic inspection and verification of both the electrical supply and the TCM itself. Understanding the causes of this error allows for targeted troubleshooting that effectively resolves the outlined issues. Methodical inspections, including power supply assessments and connector integrity checks, are crucial for a comprehensive diagnosis. After addressing the fault, confirming successful repairs through tests and verifications ensures both reliability and continued performance. Additionally, preventive measures can help mitigate potential issues in the future, safeguarding the TCM and associated systems. Following this guide will facilitate a robust understanding and addressing of DTC P1AF0 in Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.